teacher, why are you absent yesterday? Balay piklam 1 minute. Teacher, what is the reason? Naga ay kadaw? Student, I was absent yesterday because I'm not feeling well. Nga klam 1 minute namar ngam da shet bha. Teacher, what's wrong with you? JIUEP. Student, I have a fever. Nga don kakir sure. Teacher, did you get medicine? Pila yo dawai. Student, yes, miss. How I miss? Teachers, so today I won't take class. Te menta kasngi ngan shim class. Teachers, because we have a meeting with your parents. Namar bangi don jing yalang bat kikme kikpa jongpi. Teachers, how do you feel when your parents say that our son is so lazy? Kunno pisngeo Lada kikme kikpa jongpi ki ang ba ukun jongi olong bajai pede. Student, we are shameful ngi sngew le rain. Teachers, the main objective of the meeting is that kajing mot kabakong san jong kene kajing yalang kalong kaba. Teachers, because we see lots of you are not understand the meaning of education, punctuality, and disobey. Namar ni yo I jibon na phi phim sngew tho ya kajing mot jongka ya kajing nang jingstat kajing biang por bat kajing bum kongo. Teachers, and one thing, it is very sad to see your result in the half-yearly exam because you are not doing well. But sakaway, kabakam sngosi, kalong, panpeg yaka result, chi thanks nen jong pi, namar, hi klem le bha. Teachers, we the teachers, we expect some time for you. Ngi kum ki Nonghikai, ngi khmi inti a na phi. Teachers, the more you read, the more you learn. Katta phidang pule, katta phidang tip shu shu. You have plenty of time. Use wisely. Pay don chupon kapor, pandran kam bhayaka. Teachers, forget what you did in the last exam. Focus what you will do. Glad yakane ka exam kaladep. Panlek chikmot ka ka ba pinle. Teachers, this is not the end for you. This is the mistake that you have to learn. Kane kamde ka chingkot yapi. Kane kade ka chingbakla. Ba pi hab bantip bat banang. Teachers, I have nothing to say. Only people who work hard will reach the goal. Ngam don shu ban ang. Tang ki briu batray shitam. ki panpoi cha kathong. Student, thank you miss for your valuable stand and your advice. We will try to do our best. Khu blessibon miss ya kapor bakordor jongpi bat ya kajing ai jingmun jongpi ngin persyang panle ya kaba bhatam.